Yo, Banter fam. You got your popcorn? I got my popcorn. I got my whiskey. Let's watch the market go crazy. And then hopefully we can trade once everyone, I'm sure a lot of people will get wrecked. Look at this. Like, look what it does. And then we trade the leftovers and hopefully make some money. I think it's interesting times. We'll find out now soon what the results were. Hopefully bullish. Hopefully. I'll give my different views of what we're expecting next, because as we said, we're at such a critical zone. If we break out now and we have a really strong momentum push from here, things can get super interesting. I saw Litecoin just completely exploded to Bitcoin. So it looks like if the markets turn really bullish here, it looks like the love's still going to fall for the altcoins. Me too. Like there is a big possibility of a dump. Big. But we'll have enough time because the market's gone up for so many days in a row. We'll have enough, a good enough time to take a short. We just got to let this settle. So I think let's sit as a community. Let's watch the fun action. I got the 1 minute chart here. Never trade in a 1 minute, but for now we will sit and watch the 1 minute. Get the popcorn ready. It's actually pretty good. I think I'm having I don't know what flavor this is, but it's actually really good. So what are we about 3 minutes out? I think about 3 minutes out. So guys, someone to follow that gets the stuff out pretty quick when it comes to these things is this man over here. DB is what we call him. And this is his handle over here. Go give the guy he gives out the news pretty quick. And he's usually really good. So let's see what the results will be. And remember, as we've been speaking, we are just at such a critical level. Bitcoin has broken out the trend we spoke about this morning. So far, this will be a make or break moment. If it's a breakout, if it's a fake out or a complete break, and we get rid of this resistance over here. So I'd probably say around 23K. If we can break through 23K during this time now, I think we got a really strong momentum move that takes Bitcoin back to 25, and we'll obviously see from there. So we are currently 1 minute and 30 seconds away. How are we feeling, guys? What's happening? How are we doing? I need to get my soundboard back so we can play some music. But how are we feeling? Let's actually ask James, how are you feeling, bro? Up or down?
I'm all right,
you just told me you sold the house and you're shorting. So explain on that.
I'm drawing lines and paper trading. That's about as far as I'm going with this one.
Oh, you're paper trading. Smart. Through this time.
I'm not gonna get rickety wrecked by this one.
What are we thinking, Red fam? Up or down? Bear market is over. 50x long. Oh, wow. Bring on the bear, Kyle. Kyle's been good in this market. It's nice to have Kyle in here with that. I think we got to teach him a lot in a bull market to not be too bearish in a bull market. Even now, right now, the lines are breaking right now. We're breaking out right now. It's okay to be bearish at times, but it's very important to also keep your head on track, because if it does go in the direction, we're going to fly from here. And I think it's, what are we? A minute out. I want to see what the stock market does. I think this is going to be a very important one to see what the stock market does. It did break this earlier on today. It did break this. So I think this is going to be quite interesting where it actually is. Where's good coverage? I can stream it. I like to watch the charts because shit goes crazy, and then we'll get the results. I can stream the CPI if you guys want me to. So send me where you want me to do it. And I'll jump on and I'll have a look for you guys so we can watch it. It faked us out the last CPI print. Oh, something's happening.
I think you better go down to like 3 minutes, 3 minutes.
Look at that.
Lots of volatility coming.
Lots. A lot. It's coming. Let's jump to the 5 minutes. Let's go have a look. Ooh, look at that candle. What's Bitcoin doing? Oh, okay. So usually, let's have a look. Have we got an update? So usually when it dumps straight off on the news, this could be a wick. Let's have a look. So guys, ideally what we want to see with Bitcoin today is that 23K. Look at this. This is why you don't trade this shit, because it gets, look at this. Oh, did it come out bad or what? Pranoy, where are you, brother?
I'm trying to see. I'm trying to look on the research group. 8.3. I think worse than they expected. I think it was 8.1 was
Oh
expected.
my, 8.3, bro. Okay. So what this basically does then, I'm going to leave it for a few more minutes and then I'm going to go through the charts because, we've been on this uptrend now, Bitcoin 18K to 22K in that time. And we knew some sort of pullback needed. This is why we said we didn't FOMO in on the highs. And this is possibly bringing us to those retest levels, which I think is probably around 21K. But it looks like the news hasn't come out too great. Let's watch. Let's see. Let's see what's happening here. This must be obviously sending a massive spike for the Dixie. It must be. Wow. Look at that. And there's the drawing still. There's the drawing still of what we've been expecting from the Dixie. So maybe this is what we needed. This is what we needed to have that little pullback so that we could then, get the retest. Because let's be honest, the crypto market hasn't stopped. What's the dominance doing? Okay. Dominance coming down. So it means Bitcoin will probably be hit just as hard as what the altcoins will in this time. Let's go see what the stock markets. Oh, look at this. So we got 27 more minutes left on this hour. And I think in that time is where we're going to see where this closes. And then we can make the next decision. There's still time when it comes to these sort of shorts. Because what they do is, like now you can see, if we look at Bitcoin and we go and we draw up this trend line. So here is basically the trend. So what I want to see here now is what is basically will dump off pretty strong. We should have some sort of test that can obviously be our short entries for the next push down. But we've been waiting for at least some sort of pullback on this. And it looks like if the markets do pull back from here, it looks like Bitcoin's going to go down to these areas over here. Remember, we've had one leg up. We've had no pullbacks. So we needed something. Look at this. Let's go see what is getting absolutely destroyed out
Sheldon, the CPI was expected at 8.1 and it came in at 8.3. And the core inflation was expected at 6.1, came in at 6.3. So they're 0.2% up on each of them. So let's see how it plays out. I still think wait and see. Let's let this market settle, decide what it wants to do.
Yeah, we keep with the popcorn for now. What happened last week as well? Last week we had the dump off like this when they spoke about the news, and then all of a sudden we just went bullish, and everything went completely bullish after that. So let's go have a look here. Is Luna C pumping again? Don't tell me that. Okay, it's Luna C is actually losing trend. Luna C is actually losing trend. Okay, I'm going to give it a few more minutes and then I'm going to start setting up and start looking at what we can look to take advantage of this and where can this all basically happen. See why you can't trade this stuff. You think it's bullish. Guys, what do you think? What do you think? Bullish, bearish? I saw Litecoin. Is Litecoin still pumping? I saw Litecoin was doing really well. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Look at that from Litecoin. How's that wick? That's incredible. I saw Litecoin broke such a key resistance. Look at that, bro.
Yeah, you gotta watch the
This is
wicks,
why
Sheldon.
you see, you look for these, but that's the buys, bro. Like if they come to the right areas and they load up in that, like that was a perla buy, and automatically puts you in a 5% profit from catching a wick like that. But while we're actually on, while I wait, like this is a very interesting topic on Litecoin. I saw Litecoin had a really strong push against Bitcoin, and it looks like it's breaking out very similar to a horizontal breakout on Litecoin here. So breakout here, can be good. So we need to see what the hell is going on with Litecoin because it is starting to make a mover. And if you start looking at Litecoin, don't count this coin out. I know it's old school, and Rand would sit here and probably tease me and tell me I'm a crazy man. He probably would. But don't count this coin out. We have a look here. This thing's basically just been trending, but look at this. First high in a long time. If Litecoin shoots out here, you can be looking at a good 20, 30, 45% growth over Bitcoin. So keep an eye out on Litecoin. Remember, guys, the market shakes like this and it does these sort of shaky things. And ideally what we're looking at is what turns really bullish after this, because the market was overheated. It did need a pullback. It's done ridiculous things. And it's about what's next and what's extremely bullish on the next push up. And like for me, the first one that comes to mind's got to be Solana. I'm sure Solana, if we actually go through here on where Solana will go from here, let's actually put this up. So there's two spots and it's already hit the first one. So the first one now for Solana for long is this little area over here. Okay, it then has the trend as well. So that's holding trend. So for me, Solana in this push. To what I know, I see people are saying hammer time. What did Kyle say? Did Kyle say we're going super bearish? What did he say?
Sure. Kyle loves the bearish. People are saying bring Kyle back.
I see the one guy. Yeah. What did Kyle say? Kyle said we're going down. I don't know, dude. Like I feel that's what. Remember me last week? How many shorts did I have open last week? I had so many, bro. And the market started going down, and I was like, yes, the ultimate shorts. And then the market just ripped, bro. Just out of nowhere, it just went. Because like for people, they quickly FOMO out or they panic out now. And then it's long forgotten. The sting is there. It's gone now. Okay, cool. And they continue. Like, are we really surprised? It's more bad news, like, or more slightly worse news. We've been through quite a bit of this. So I'm actually looking. So I'm using a dummy small account here, guys. I'm not using my bigger accounts. My bigger account will continue the next live trading. But I think I'm going to take advantage of this wick if it comes back into that zone. I think I'm going to take a small position. This is money. It's waste money in that sense. So be very careful with that as well. But let's see. Hopefully I can pull off a phenomenal trade during this time while we're waiting. Because for me, let's actually have a look where Bitcoin can go. So Bitcoin's got this support here. Okay, and then it's got the big support. So there's quite a gap. So if the market doesn't hold and Bitcoin starts to lose 21.4, we can expect quite a very fast drop. And I think 20K for me is a good zone. It's a good support buy zone. It's a good loading up zone through those times. And I think it's another great lesson, guys. When the market's up here, everyone wants to FOMO in. I want those coins, but I'm going to buy them. I'm going to buy them in the retest. Always wait for those retests. Let's have a look at Solana on support right now. I want to start getting something ready. You can see a small account, guys. This is a very volatile, fun time. So sometimes you can just have some fun in it. There's no guarantees with this one at all. So let's have a look. I'll probably run on a nice little sixer. I'm gonna run $1,000 in this time. So let's see. It's in there now, bro. It's in there now. My rules tell me I gotta go. So I'm gonna go 50% in. You're gonna see how volatile this is, guys. Like, let me show you guys. If I gotta sacrifice my money here for you, I shall do that. So we can see how crazy these times actually get. So I basically put in $500 and my value positions around $3,200, $3,300 through these times. It takes balls, guys. When the market's like this, it takes extreme balls to build these positions. Where's my liquidation? At 30. Okay, so that's pretty big. That's pretty big. Let's go look at the charts. Where's 30? Oh, 30 is all the way down there. Is where the liquidation will be. So you can see I'm not going crazy X.
So I see someone right here, Martin, he's saying don't trade now. This is just Sheldon playing, so we're not telling anyone to follow with this trade. Don't follow. Don't follow.
Don't follow me. I'm putting it here for your entertainment. Let's see if I win or lose money. Guys, after this, once this mess is gone, we're going to get trades. We're going to trade. Like, I'll find you guys trades and we'll get trades together. I'm putting this in for your entertainment. Let's see if I make money or lose money. And then after that, we'll find the next one. We got to have a trade running through this. Like, we want to see the difference between being really scared when the market do things like this or, taking advantage, even spot and these sort of things through these times. Will be good. So I am currently in $600. So at 1,000, so I'm about 60% in at this area. Solana right now sitting there. Where's Bitcoin sitting? Yeah, so this is the trend that's a little bit worrying is Bitcoin, and I want to see if that breaks in. So ideally, this play would be good. If Bitcoin really drops now to 21, it will have a quick little push up, and then we can catch the big ass shorts to the downside. Probably takes it down to around 20. And remember, guys, where we're at right now, this is still the area that Bitcoin can go and make the lower low. It's the last area. This is why we're saying it's such a big crunch time. There is a scenario where this can go down here. There is definitely a scenario. So if the market loses steam now, I will be having some sort of shorts available and all of that. Let's have a look. Let's go see stock markets. Came down pretty hard. Let's see the 10-year yield. The last one that we've been waiting to lose this damn trend. We've been waiting patiently through that S&P. Not looking so bad. DeFi, are you still holding? See, so you can see right now it's a very critical stage for the market. Oh, this is nearly up there. This is nearly up there. The Dixie is nearly up to those areas. Okay, let's keep an eye. What's happening? BTC's girlfriend just dumped. Who's BTC's girlfriend? 200 EMA rejected on time frames across all altcoin board. Yeah. What is this dominance actually doing? Okay, I like that the dominance is coming down though. That's still a good sign. Means altcoins are going to get hurt, but you know Bitcoin's going to get really hurt too, which sort of makes sense. Bitcoin's been running solo for a little while. So let's have a look. How's my soul doing? Am I getting eaten? Okay, $9 in the red. Let's hit it. I'm gonna purely just put this $1,000 in here, guys, and let's see.
10-year
what
yield
happens.
on the 5 minute is getting a bit of a turn down, so maybe there'll be a bit of a lift up now.
Look at that volume spike, bro.
Yeah, always
Look at
been
that volume
there's always
spike.
an overreaction to one way. So, I mean that Dow doesn't that hasn't reversed yet.
And that's the thing, bro. Like, you know, we've seen this a few times, and like the last three out of 4 times, it's been good, like little top up areas. Not to go crazy, but these wicks and these dips have always been like good, like add a little bit to the bag, add a little bit to the bag. You know what I mean? Like, so let's see. I'm adding on the dip here. Let's see if it's correct or bullshit. Like next time we see the stuff, like you just panic out. But I don't want to form as a normal retail.
So don't forget the stock market's open in about 45 minutes. So
Okay.
it's going to be interesting to see what happens there. Thanks, Joe, for reminding us of that. So at the moment, you're just looking at futures.
Yeah. US. They're basically the same, isn't it? There's not much of a difference when the price comes out.
It's just that you get the big money behind the actual stock market opening as opposed to the futures. So they really will shape it. You know what I mean? They have had time to digest this, think about it, and then make their calls.
Yeah. But this is not good. This is not good. Why not short? Where is it? Why inflation gets better? Where was that? Why not short? Because the short's still to come. I can't short now. It's just dropped. Retest, I'll short. I just want to make sure, because if we go short now, it's a big decision. It's a very big decision because if the market turns and stuff like that. So I'm being sure. But so far, if the stock market closes like this in 15 minutes, it might not be good. It's things are. This is not good. If the stock market gets rejected here, we can be looking at a lower low, and that's not good. That's another 8% down from stock markets. Yeah, that's not good, because we can have a look already. Let's actually do the comparison on the stock market move now, or the US 30. We look at that, and it's a 2% down. And we obviously go look
You're getting
at
the
Bitcoin.
first sign of a green candle there on the 5 minutes. You can see it. Yeah, or 15, you can see it. So maybe.
So Bitcoin's basically doing double what the stock market's doing. So the stock market falls 8%, Bitcoin's falling 15%. That's sort of what's happening here.
This guy's saying here, I'm not sure, I don't know what he says. CNBC now saying markets are looking at 100 basis point increase. So in other words, for the Fed, the fact that the inflation is still going up, I think 75 points is definitely on the table, but 100 points, well, we'll have to wait and see.
That's a
It
bit
would be
rough,
so
isn't
much
it?
better to gone the other way, man.
Yeah, dude, can these guys get their shit together so we can have fun again? I suppose the next short will be fun. So you can see here, why not short? So Sol will do something like this, where it'll come down here, small bounce up, and if it cracks that, yeah, there's a beautiful short. Big money shorts coming. You just gotta wait for that, because if you short on support, it's a death wish. Because if it turns against you, you're gonna get absolutely destroyed.
We should get all Carl on.
Bring him,
I don't know where
James.
he is.
Go tell Carl
I'll
to
try
set
and
up
call
there.
him.
Bring him. I want to see what he's smiling about. Bring him. Bring Kyle on. He can short, I will long, and we'll see who wins, just for fun. ETH, come on, we got ETH now. So let's go see what's happening with ETH. Same thing with ETH right now. We are on their support, and then there is a secondary support on ETH, which basically takes us in the areas of the low 16K sort of zones. Okay, what's happening? What is up with this news, guys? Why can't we finally have a little bit of a break? Okay, what are we thinking, guys? Be nice to Kyle, Sheldon. Guys, I'm the one that brought Kyle on the show. I've believed in Kyle since day one. I brought him on. We're brothers in arms. Like, we work together every day. I love Kyle. Me and him are please check BBS. I'll go through BBS now. A few more minutes, guys, and we can start making decisions. I just want to see where this leg ends, and then from that we can make the next decision and see what's happening. I see my Solana. Let's see Matic. Someone said Matic was breaking. Let's go see. Yeah, everything's breaking back in. You see, so we just want to see where this closes, but everything is breaking back in, definitely, which is not good. It's not a good sign at all. Yeah, it's not the greatest sign. Craig, you're on mute. Yeah, this market is very tiring. I agree with you. It is tiring.
In this lies opportunity, you know. So those that were shorting would be smiling. I know. I saw Dylan was shorting another guy in our team, so he was smiling on his soul. What was he on? Soul short, I think.
Yeah, it's so hard to short before though. It's so
You're just
hard,
taking a
bro.
complete gamble. No, you're taking a gamble.
Yeah, it's gamble. It's definitely gamble money if you just take any random little short at a different.
And if anyone's seeing any news, just pop it in the chat so we can bring it up. If you're seeing anything else out there. Who's this? What the hell is
happening? Great question. Great question.
This one also, there's some classic comments.
Some of the best ones. Dude, that's why when you do these things and they're talking, get your popcorn and watch this shit because it's entertaining as hell. Like, you know how many people are trading this now? You know, there's thousands and thousands of people that were longing here. There are shorters that are obviously happy now. But then I've seen how it turns all of a sudden and wrecks the shorts too. Like, it's crazy. It's
I see
really
lots of comments coming up. Back to 12K, 12K, 13K. I see the comments coming up there. So look,
is that what everyone's saying?
Yeah, back
okay, that
to
means
13K.
let me put my mom. She must buy a little bit of our bags. I love it, dude. When people are feeling like that.
Yeah. There's someone here that's shorting. Luna as well. Geez, he took the proper DJ trade.
Bro,
so
you got cojones. What do you call them?
Yeah,
you got steel balls, bro.
Absolutely.
You got steel balls.
Carl, I need to take his call.
Yeah, tell Carl. I want to see what he's thinking. Let's get the family on here. Let's do it. Okay. I don't know. Like, I'm pretty like. Let's see what Solana does here. I'm just gonna fill this position, guys. If it gets smacked, it gets smacked. Like, don't do what I'm doing. I'm doing it for the sake of let's test the method of when news comes out.
Well, Carl's going to join us now.
Cool.
Oh, Ethan, now it's dumping even harder. Look at it go. Oof. Wait.
This can create really good longs, bro. If this thing decides to go to 20K now, like, I'm gonna long. If it goes to 20K.
I honestly didn't think it was going to do this. I really didn't know.
Bro, it's
the bears are out. Look here. Where's the other one here? First 19.8. Then after the FOMC meeting, we go to 12. The bears are out.
oh,
And they're right at the moment. We can't argue that.
oh, dude, I'd love that. I got dollars, bro. What do you mean? It means I'm buying ETH at
I don't know why
$1,000.
this guy's saying
I'm
where's
buying
the inflation data coming. The inflation data is out. That's why the market's done this.
Yeah,
dude.
that's why the market's being full of shit, bro. It's
Get Ran as well. Ran's at the near conference.
Rand's at near conference. Of course he would be here.
Yeah.
Of course he would be here if he could.
Yeah.
Okay, what's happening?
Oof. The degens are here. Look at this, 20x short. Woo! It's that's
making money.
Degen. Hey?
Making money. They're making money, bro.
Lucky.
They're learning.
That's
Luck,
gambling,
it is luck.
bro.
It is
That's
luck.
gambling.
But
Oof.
is my soul just gonna get wrecked now? Or what? Okay, we're at my line now.
Yeah, no, you're gonna get wrecked.
Oh, bear. Even they taking control of you, bro. Who are you, Craig? What have you done with Craig? You know what we do here, bro. Guys, do not follow me at all on this. This is not me. Don't follow me at all. But bring it, Craig. Let's go. Let's go more. I'm in, baby.
What else? I'm hunting down some good comments here. Some of these guys are fast asleep. Bad news. Inflation coming at 8:30. The inflation's out. Oh no, at 8.3. It did come out at 8.3.
Why is my camera not working now?
Yeah.
Let me bring my camera back on. There you go. Battery. Give me 2 secs. I'm sorting this camera out. Come on, Will. Just get something, man.
Yeah. Get your dollars ready. I love that. Look at the dollar.
Get the dollars. Get the dollars. Get the dollars.
Yeah. Look, the most concerning one really is the 10-year, because you don't want to see it spiking and staying at these levels. You know, the higher the 10-year yield spikes is not good for anybody's, for stock markets, for crypto, or anything else. Look at the dollar. Yeah. Bitcoin to 12K. Stop hitting trend.
Okay, my camera's coming. Oh, what's this gonna do, bro?
Someone's here on a 50x short. Whew. Proper gambling. Degen, that's for sure. Yeah, we've got the actual markets opening up in 25 minutes, so that's going to be interesting. Don't let Rand in his bad luck. How funny. Rand's. I'd actually love to know where Rand's at. Maybe I'll send him the link and ask him to try and jump on it, even from his phone. Yo, how's this guy? 70x since 22,600. Cash on cash. Cash is the best place to be right now. There's no doubt about that. Taking the opposite trade. Look at this. Whatever you're doing now, you're just gambling, you know. So you need to rather sit on the sidelines. I never had stop losses. Honestly, not that I was on any leverage, but I certainly thought we were going the other way. That's for sure. Let's see what you got there.
Okay, I'm coming back.
No
am I in the money, bro?
I don't think so, bro. I don't think so, bro.
Okay, let me get my camera. Let me get my camera running here. I got the cheaper one. Is it working?
RSI's cooling off. I'm sure it cooled off.
Come on, bro.
I'm sure RSI hit the floor.
Come on. Oh, how's that? On the trend line. If this has to go bullish, that'll be a...
Yeah. So comment here from Alex. Dump equals buy opportunity. Remember, on dumps like this, never try and catch a falling knife. Never. Wait for the bounce. Wait till you see some sort of sustainability, and then you can, if you're going to trade, then you can look at entering the market. But be careful. Don't catch a falling out.
literally hit
There we go. 5 minutes. There's something there. Hey, maybe your short
There's
is
a
going to
small
survive.
pulse, bro. Come on. Come on. What am I in here? $75 hit. Come on.
Oh,
Whew.
I'm seeing nothing out of the stock markets. The US 30 is still going down, not even
Really?
giving us any form of a retrace. No.
No, but let's be real now. Like let's remove the emotion. We knew the market was going to pull back. We're not surprised that the market needed a pullback at some point. What is a good calculated decision? Like this, does this end up turning? I don't know. I feel like there's got to be a continuation of shitty news to get this to continue to go down to the lower lows, or is this just a retest of
Don't remember something.
breakout, a
Markets
test,
always
and a break?
overreact. So, yeah,
It is
markets overreact.
overreacting right now. It is
Yeah,
overreacting,
so
definitely.
you sit on your hands and wait. How's Mama's theta?
Theta was actually looking really good.
Was being the
It
operative
was.
word.
Yeah, it was. It was looking really good. The whole market was looking fantastic about half an hour ago.
And
Now
I
look.
was so long on ETH for tomorrow. Oh,
Oh really? Oh, it's
very.
tomorrow the day, bro. Oh, it's not tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I've
It's Thursday.
sent you a calculator. I'll send it to you and maybe just bring it up. I'll send it to you on
I
WhatsApp.
do have it. I do have it. Wait, I got it. There. 1 day, 16 hours. It's this one, right?
So 1 day, that's tomorrow. So what's tomorrow? Is Wednesday.
Yeah, so
So
it's Thursday.
Thursday morning our time, South African time, yeah, or European time. Just dumped to 10K.
Oh, we're getting to that stage now. We're just like, you sliced me in half. Come on, Solana. Come on, Solana.
Hello.
What's up?
Yeah, I was looking there. Bring Mama
Come on.
Sniper.
So on Theta, I was expecting a inverse head and shoulders to form on Theta, which is basically just completed now. So let's see.
Look at this, bro. What's up, Mom? What's going on in the world?
Hello.
Look at this. Like you work so hard. Like look
The
how,
problem is
look
the
how hard. Like I
Dixies.
actually feel bad. Like look how hard the bulls work, bro. Like they're the hard workers, dude. Look at them.
Yeah.
They fight, dude. They fight hard. They work their asses off, and then just get slaughtered, bro.
As Jason says, the bulls climb up the stairs and the bears just jump out the window.
Oh, bro.
Proper.
That's why you gotta
So-
learn the skill of longing and shorting, because you get it right. Because there you can see the trend, and if you get that, then all of a sudden,
the
look at
problem
that.
with Sheldon is that the Dixie is continuing to climb. So if you don't look at the Dixie, yeah, it's just keeping
Well,
going.
the stock market's continuing to drop, so makes sense.
I know, but the 10-year yield has turned. When I say turned, it's not continuing; it's slowed down. So, but the Dixie is like screaming ahead. In fact, we had resistance right now at 109.28 or something, or around here.
So what do we think? So realistically, if we look here, stock market's last bit of hope. Yeah, this is not good, bro. It's not good that we're losing that
No.
area. Look at that
Not
candle. When last did we get a candle like that? Like one candle. This one?
What's the
No.
what's the percent? Yeah, what's the percentage on? Alarms is coming up everywhere.
2.6%.
That's big on the stock market, Sam.
Yeah, no man.
How's my Solana? Holding on. Holding on by a thread. Yo, look at this, dude. I can't believe how quick things can turn. I
Crazy.
suppose it's like it still surprises me. And here's Litecoin holding.
Here's an important one, Sheldon.
Litecoin.
Just have a look at this. This is important. BUSD is depegging from the dollar. That's an important one.
That's
So
not good.
If you've got a BUSD USDT chart,
BUSD USDT.
yeah.
Oh, look at that chart.
Oh.
Is it
It's
really?
it's not really deep pegging. It's okay. We're 99. No,
No, it's okay, dude. Let's not add more
no, it's okay.
stress. Yeah, we're fun. Let's see if my long will pay off, bro. We gotta have something like even from Bitcoin here, just there, test it, and then we can come down. Like I'm sure we can have that little move.
Here's someone. My cannabis stocks. I wonder what happened to them.
They must keep going up, dude. I don't think that stock market never crashes, bro. There's only
Yeah,
more
no,
and more stoners entering the world.
they missed it. Here's someone for you, Sheldon. I think your sole entry is safe.
Thank you, bro. There's not many of us, but we stand strong. We stand strong.
Okay. Call Rand. I bet he's buying right now. Actually, I'm going to give Rand a call. I'm going to see if I can get hold of him.
Yeah, tell him he's got it, bro. Like a neocon's not worth. Like this is more important.
What's going on Lunacy?
Is it ripping? What is it doing?
I don't know. I'm just seeing a comment here.
Lunacy. The only one that's
No, same.
yeah, same. For me, Lunacy is last trend. You know where. Guys, remember to join our Discord and remember to Discord because as soon as this settles, I am doing live trades. So either if I'm live or I'm taking a trade, like it goes here, and any official ones I do over here in the live trading section. We've got the short term, the time frame, the long term views. And remember, if you do want to be a part of this, you just got to be using one of our links below. If you look below the description, you'll find our BYBIT, BITGET link. You just got to use one of our exchange links that you trade on, and it gets you into the VIP room. So it costs you nothing. But it gets you into all of this, and you get my trades, you get Kyle's trades, you get Bitcoin billionaire. What's his name? I know his real name, so I don't call him that. I don't call him there. I know his real name. Come on, bro. I'm gonna make some money here. Come on.
Cannabis stocks are high. I love that.
Good one.
Oh, these comments are flying. It's so difficult to work through them. Carnage when New York opens. Well, that's going to be the big telltale sign.
So how long until that? 25 minutes. Okay. We'll wait on that one. Then we'll make the decisions.
We just keep the show going. We can talk. We can take questions. Let's just keep it going and see what happens. Here's a nice one for you, Danny.
My sniper doesn't smoke cannabis. She's just naturally chilled.
That's actually very true.
Bro, my mom's been through way worse. She's been leverage trading for the last year. She knows how to chill. Yeah, when you learn that skill of leverage,
Nothing.
plus 3 kids. Yeah. You got it.
So we've got another DGen on the back end here. Here's Paolo. So I wonder, Paolo, what are you up to? How did you play this? She's the real DGen leverage trader. Can you put yourself on or not? I'm sure she can. Where is she? I'll try and get her to come on. Okay, so they're getting a bit of a bounce. What would be a 618 retrace back up? Can you hear me, Danny?
Yeah, I'm yeah. Are you talking to me?
618 retraced from the top to the bottom.
Let's go have a look at the chart. What time frame is he on there? Oh, he's on the 5 minute.
You can't share your charts.
Yeah. But it's fine. I'll check it here quickly.
Bombay trillionaire. Yep.
From the top to the bottom. The 618 is sitting at 22,260.
That's a long way up from here.
Yeah. Let's see.
Right.
See if I can share screen.
I should put slow mode on. You're right on the comments. I mean, they're flying out. It's so hard to even read them, I have to pay my energy bill and now I've got nothing. Sorry, Jono.
I see it's sitting at 22,222. So yeah, on Theta, which is quite interesting. on the 4 hour, and I've been expecting it actually, is this inverse head and shoulders, because I originally had my trend line, and when I saw we kept him, we broke down and we tried, and we were coming down, that automatically gave me an indication that we're probably going to form a right shoulder. So I've
Well, it
actually
doesn't
been
get more
expecting
accurate than that. I
later.
mean, how's that? I mean, it's just filled it exactly the way you had it.
Yeah. So I'm still
Sure.
waiting for it to come down and see. It might, you see, there's two levels. We've got this level over here, which the shoulder can form to, or we've got this level here where the shoulder can form to. So it could stop right about where it is now, or we could still proceed down to about 108, 109. Yeah. But obviously on the long term on theta, I mean, theta's done nothing. We're still in exactly the same range that we've been talking about since May. Look at that.
Yeah.
Theta hasn't moved compared to the other tokens. So when this token goes, it's
So
going to go.
as much as we laughing or smiling, the stock markets are not good, eh? Let me just go here and go here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, Danny. Can you see my chart?
Yeah, I can see it.
So this is 10-year yield. So the 10-year yield sort of spiked. We came in and sort of consolidated. This is 5 minutes, but we did sort of get a bit of consolidation, but we've jumped up again. So this is not good news, guys. I've got to tell you. And this Dixie is really bad news. So when you're spiking on the 10-year yield and you're spiking on the Dixie, no, it's not good. So jokes aside, it's not great.
Is this lower low territory, or is it by the dip territory?
I don't think so. I think you can't catch a falling knife, eh? I think it's not looking great at the moment. Unless something changes at hop us in the next 20 minutes when the market opens and they digest it better.
Alrighty, let's share here. Get this back up.
Yeah, not great.
Okay, all jokes aside, guys, like I am playing around and I'm going to go quite crazy with this position that I'm building. But it's not the real trades. The bigger accounts are waiting. So we're waiting for this stuff to settle and then we're going to hit it. I just want to see no wife change this month. Your wife's going to change you, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
You're not changing no one.
Maybe, as someone suggested maybe putting your volume on, just seeing what happens. Keep an eye on the volume.
Oh, yeah, correct. Oh, look at that volume spike. That's big. Can't believe the amount of FOMO that, not FOMO, but that fear kicks in at these times.
Crazy.
Yeah. $100. Will you just speak to my lady to Rhea and just tell her that we're eating bread tonight? We were going to eat
steaks are out.
We were going to eat lobster and steak, but we're eating bread and maybe a cup of water. Yeah. If you can just organize that for me, please. For now, I still got hope, bro. I still got hope for Wagyu. I still got hope.
Yeah. So as long as that 10-year yield doesn't stop, that's probably the more important of the two. And it's actually gapped up slightly. I'm looking on 5-minute charts, so it's but it's a gap. It's not.
So what am I? Yeah, I'm on a $92 loss. So what I do is I go close 50% of it now.
So maybe just explain to them what you're doing.
So what I do is I reduce now. So I'm going to teach you guys this, guys. Just this is educational. Like, watch what I'm doing here. But so what I decided was I was already in a $90 loss now. So I decided to cut that in half now and rather focus on my entry. So I took the $45 hit, which was basically a 50% sort of exit of my order. And then what I do is I now go buy back in that area. And you see how I brought my entry from there all the way down here now. In that area, let's just see is this thing zoomed in. Why is it not showing me my whole position here now? That's weird why it's not showing me my whole position. But now my entry shifted through that area. This is like I usually use this when I'm manually running a trading account. So for me, it's like, either I wait for a stop loss to get hit, or if I'm watching manually, I will reduce and I will get myself out through these times. But for me, I'm working on this entry. I want to see if buying the dip on these things at times is like good, or completely FOMOing out. We'll see. So this is like a gambling account, 100% of what I'm doing. But you see there how I took that small hit, and I'll basically run it again just to show you guys. So you can see over here, my position size, I'm in a $55 loss. So I'll take the hit. I'll take a 50% hit on it. That will drop in half. So I've taken the hit. I've lost the money through that area. But what I'm basically able to do is when I buy back, you can see how I bring my entry from up there. Now it's down here. Doesn't always work. Doesn't always work at all. But we'll see how it works on this one over here. There's my entry price. Let's see. Market can completely tank from here. So bad. Let's see. And this is exciting for the rest of the week, guys. Now we can go through the rest of the week and be like, okay, where are these key supports? Where can we buy? And the merge is still 2 days away. So would you not rather have the dump before, or rather have the dump while the merge is happening? So an early dump like this doesn't necessarily mean too bad just yet. We obviously just got to hold these major trends, and we can possibly even take advantage of them. I think, what I love about dumps like this is if this dumps down, like this comes down over here and it settles for like 2-3 hours, there's going to be great longs to this area, if not higher above that. So it gives us good short-term trade opportunities when there's a big directional move, like there is right now. Basically happening. I just want to see what I got left in here. It's either going to go to 0 or Wagyu stakes tonight. Let's see. So I'm on a 700 over there now. So there's a there. Okay, cool. And my last one, do not do what I'm doing. I'll give you guys the correct trades on the Discord and when I'm ready. Because the next one I'm trading a bigger $6,000 account on a 10x. I'm trading. So those ones I'm getting ready for bigger moves. And if there is that weekly break in a month or anything like that, I'm going to start trading $50,000 on 5x's and start playing some big money in the bull market to really see what we can achieve in one run. Because I don't think the bull market goes straight back to all-time highs, but I think we have a rally at some point. I do think we have a rally. Why did this cut half of my screen off? Oh, there we go. Okay, so my position size, I've put in $800, and my position size is 7,800, and I'm on a 9x isolated. So it doesn't eat my per $140 if I do get liquidated.
We have a visitor.
Hi, Ren.
Are you guys seriously trading the inflation numbers? Is that what's going on here?
I'm doing like a gamble account for fun. But dude, what's happening, bro? All the hard work. Look, the bulls work so hard. Look how hard they work, bro. And look at these bears.
No. Hold on a second.
Ran. Are you buying the dip?
I'm buying the dip, but not yet. It's not low enough for me to buy. It looks like crypto is trading a range. The range is like 19,000 to like 23,000. You know what I mean? So you want to be picking up as close as possible to the bottom of the range. So anything under 20,000, probably good to be buying. And then, if you're trading, every time it gets above 22, you see it's time to be letting go. That's been the range the last couple of months.
Yeah. What's happening there? Show us, bro. What's happening there?
Yeah, we're at Neocon. Here it is. I'm super blown away by what's going on here. I can't tell you how amazing it is. A whole lot of builders, brain power. Look at this. It's absolutely amazing here. This is Crypto Rasta. Hold on a second. You're live, bro. I'm Banter.
Oh, Crypto Rasta. What's happening, bro?
What's that? That's Crypto Rasta, guys.
I know. What's up? What's happening? He messages us every day. Every day on Twitter. Every morning.
So here's a taste of Neocon. A lot of very smart people building very smart things. It really feels like you're getting in super early here. It's got that same energy as Ethereum had. when Ethereum launched and Solana had in the early days of Solana. It's epic here. I must say, I've been blown away by what's going on here. I'm in a bit of a dampener here with the inflation numbers. I won't lie to you. I was expecting 7.9.
What the hell? Yeah.
I was expecting 7.9, got 8.3. I guess, one thing that came out now is that there is now a possibility of a 100 basis point rate hike in at the end of the month when the FOMC meet again. So yeah, I mean it's
that's not good, bro.
Another setback, and shows that inflation is not stopping, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing, bro. Well, I'd like to see that there's no bear market in NIA. It's nice to see that.
There's no bear market in NIA, and I mean it's nice to see you going live so many times in a day. I won't lie.
I'm coming back, bro. I'm feeling good.
It's nice to see you back, and I see the community are here and happy. I'm going to do a show later on today, so keep your eyes and ears on my Twitter. I'm going to be doing a show just to update you guys on NIA, on the inflation numbers. And then tomorrow I'm doing another show. So yeah, I'll be back tonight and tomorrow.
Okay, amazing. We're waiting now for the New York to open. We're waiting for the stock markets to open up. Let's see what happens there. And then, yeah, let's see.
Alrighty, guys. Listen, have fun and trade well.
Cool, my brother. Make lots of connections.
Let's
take off there. There we go. Alrighty. You see, Rand's working hard, eh? He hasn't left. He went from Amsterdam. He went to Israel. Now he's in Portugal. Then he's going to Paris. Then he's going to Singapore. All in 1 month, plus doing shows, plus 4 kids, plus all of that. Join crypto, they said. They said it would be easy. Truly great to see. What's happening in my position? Am I getting creamed here now? So from $1,100, I'm on 920 as we speak. And it looks like we are going to be losing trend shortly. So I think a play like this is going to happen with Bitcoin. A shoot down or shoot up, we load up on the shorts, and then we go. So we'll see what the stock market happens. If it's not up there until then we'll prep. But I think there's a lot of live shows going to be happening now in the next day or two for us to take advantage of this volatility. If it's going to dump, it's going to dump. I'm just making sure that I got cash to scoop up the next trade, because this is great percentages. This is what you want to see. Look at this. Like, this thing was so green earlier, and look at this. Look at that, like 10%, 6%, 5%, this in the last hour. It's crazy to see the volatility.
Oh, everything was looking green earlier, hey?
I suppose it's been green for the last few days. We mustn't be surprised to see.
Yeah, we needed a retracement.
Yeah, we did. It's just about how far we retrace now. Do we make the higher low? Is it a good buying opportunity? These are the tough questions we're going to battle for the next few days. But I feel we're getting one step closer to eventually getting out of that trend at some point. I don't know. I got a feeling at some point my trade's going to go in profits here. Come on. Close inside this trend.
You know what Tom Hogarth says? When you're in a loss, you'll end up having hope where you should be in fear.
Yeah, but this money is there for it, bro. I got more accounts. Where I'll catch it if it goes lower. I'm always prepping for both. I just wonder, like, this is a good trial and error here for the community to see it. It's good for the community to see it. Like, is it worth catching and falling now at times? On supports, making sure TA, making sure you structure it where it is. Or it absolutely wrecks you. And if I got to lose money on the internet to teach people a lesson, then let's do it. Let's do it, bro.
There's a couple of things here about what's going on with Tron. I don't know if Tron's avoiding the trend. If anyone's seeing any coins that are avoiding the trend,
yeah, please give us tokens, guys. Anything that's doing crazy.
Let's have a look.
No, Tron's dumped as well.
Yeah, it's all the same, bro. So if you see anything that's counter trend, let us know.
What's actually happening? I want to see here.
Check out OMI. Everyone's saying check out OMI.
Wow, look at this though. This is all outperforming Bitcoin. Okay, there's a lot of stables here, but not so bad when you compare it to Bitcoin. Not so bad. It's not as ugly as this one. So at least you're not losing Bitcoin, guys. At least we're not losing Bitcoin.
Everyone's saying
That's
Lunar C. I don't know. Is it bucking the trend? I don't know. When you put a comment of a coin, just tell me if it's going against the trend. Just say going against the trend, because nothing looks like it is at the moment.
No, so this one's not in yet.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not yet. So we got that trend that you can put in there. That's a good trend. So that ultimately will be a good little breakout if so. What are we? We're 9 minutes out.
Yeah.
9 minutes out.
Someone's writing T-Fuel. Litecoin is going against the trend. Yeah, let me know if it's against the trend, guys. I can't pick it up from that.
T-Fuel. Yeah, holding pretty strong. Took a dump, but holding pretty good. Where is T-Fuel on the macro? Yeah, this is one that I.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Yeah, Mom, we need to buy more T-Fuel.
H bar against
Yeah,
the
no,
trend.
that
Raven going
was
up.
Just for long term, just to buy and hold for the next bull market, whenever it is. I think we need to buy T-Fuel.
So T-Fuel and Theta take turns. They don't often, they do run together at times, but majority, if the one goes and you've missed the buy, go buy the other one, because they sometimes lag. So if Theta runs and T-Fuel hadn't run yet, do yourself a favor, go buy T-Fuel. If T-Fuel runs first and Theta hasn't run yet, then go buy Theta. Because that's in the last run, that's how they actually alternated.
Yeah, someone's saying a Litecoin and then Luna, not Luna C, the normal Luna.
I think Litecoin looks good, bro. Like, this was not nothing, and what it's doing to Bitcoin right now.
Yeah,
look at that. It's over 8-9% over Bitcoin. So Litecoin. Okay, cool, mummies. But I suppose none of them have run yet. T-Fuel or Theta hasn't run yet.
No.
Okay, so lots are holding well. Reef is pumping. APL, I don't know what it is. Meta's holding well. Chile's putting back up. OMI, everyone's saying OMI.
Craig, you still got your millions of OMI?
No, I sold them. Can you believe it?
Oh, what?
I still have mine.
After all those years of holding, eh?
No way, bro.
I want to see where the price is. I sold at 133. So let's see where we're at. 137. So yeah.
Go battle back, bro.
I was the biggest OMI holder ever.
Yes, no, you were big. You had so many of those.
Yeah.
And then you just lost hope, or what?
I just realized I've been holding on for so long, and sometimes it's like,
that's a good trend. It's a good trend. We need a bullish market for it, though, but it's a good trend.
Yeah.
I think it will be incredible gains if that. You know, are they fixing their tokenomics? 6 minutes.
6 minutes, and we've got a bounce on the.
Go make yourself coffee. Get the popcorn. We might have round 2.
So Sheldon, looks like we've got a second green candle on the 5 minutes on the Dow. So
trying to find us some positive
and the
news.
And the Dixie's got the second red candle as well. So things are starting to shape up, but we've got to see what happens in 6 minutes. So we've got a few.
I need this to print, bro. I need this to print.
Are you still short? I know you're long, because I'm thinking of entering long.
I'm the long as an Nile River, bro. If you enter the gambler account, because it's gambling now. But maybe I eat Wagyu tonight, bro. Okay. Maybe, dude. Yeah, you never trade these days unless it's for fun. You don't trade them, man.
Sol definitely looks like it's bottoming out. Near is now. Someone is saying near. I don't know. Near, all over there.
I can't believe that conference. Look how many people are there. That's incredible. To see so many people. Let's see when near is actually. Okay, it hit some sort of support. That area over there. If everything holds, guys, and it holds what we've just retraced now, and it like holds here, maybe even a little bit lower, it's still bullish, in my opinion. Like, because we still got all these trends. So it can even go lower to these areas, and as long as we hold those levels, you know, we could still look at a bullish icon for the end of the week. Let's see. Near looks pretty good. Near looks pretty good. Where's the stock market? The futures.
Nah, turning down again.
Yes, what a pity, man. This fake out. I can't believe how these things affect the market the way they do. Like, you want to talk about, I don't know, like centralized, and like you want to talk about like it's bullshit, bro. How can a few people just move the whole market like this? No, not cool, bro.
Yeah. Not cool
I think we need some. I think we need some younger presidents.
Yeah.
We need a fresh new look at things. Because this system we're in, look at the Dixie. Okay, well, Dixie's at resistance now. This is where we got to turn. This is where we got to turn. So there's my drawing. So this is where we got to turn. Come on. Oh, where's my remote? By the way, guys, have we got any gamers out there? Send me a DM. Let's play games. I think while we trade, we can do some live trading and play games. Send me your name. What is it? I got an Xbox. Let's play games in our spare time and trade on the side. Okay, what are we? 3 minutes out.
3 minutes
You think
out.
it's gonna do anything, bro?
I don't think so. I mean, to me, if you look at the Dow futures on the 5 minute, it's reasonably as best as it could be showing a bottoming pattern.
Come on, man.
So, Fortnite,
Yeah.
War Zone, 3 minutes till the next dump.
Very true. I could get wrecked here.
Yeah, 100%. Raven pumping on 15 minutes. Someone's asking you if you play Fall Guys, Sheldon.
I do. That's very funny, actually. I do. Let's play games, guys. I'm down. I play all of them. Okay, not so much Apex, but I can play Apex. I play Fortnite, Fall Guys.
Sure.
I play FIFA.
How are those bubbles, eh? It's like crazy, eh?
Bro.
Where's the love? I don't know what the likes are. If anyone, in terms of clicking the likes, but click the likes, guys. We're here to face it with you and go through it with you. Yeah.
I think every time we have news, we just sit like this and we just we just do it, bro. It just makes me feel better.
Did you play FIFA, Sheldon?
Yeah. I'm actually pretty good.
There was a comment here. I was just trying to find it. Yeah.
Put your Ludo where your mouth is, bro. Let's play Solana. Let's play. I'll play for Solana. 2 Solanas. Okay, stock market should be opening now, right?
Yeah. Go to the proper Dow. Yeah.
This shit's so confusing, bro.
Yo, look at that gap, mate.
But that makes sense now, isn't it? Because of the...
Yeah. So gap down. So we've got to watch how they respond to this.
Okay.
Weirdly enough, the Dow is slightly above the US 30 from what I can see. Yeah, it is actually. Look at the candle. What's going on here? It looks like it's... Oh no, sorry, I missed that gap. You try and find that gap on the charts. But it's definitely opening green. Not opening, but gapping down, and let's see.
Okay, keep an eye there for me, please. So guys, let me give a little bit of a view of what I think is happening
5-minute
here.
bullish engulfing on the Bitcoin.
Okay. So right now, as things stand, this is probably what we're going to see happen next. Where there's going to be a slight bounce in any area. That's sort of what I'm running the Sol little trade on, is that little push up. It's volatile, so I can make 3-4% quite easy in this market. But I'm looking at Bitcoin from here, probably go up to around 22K again. At some point, we either bounce around 21 or we can bounce around 20. I do see around 22K after that. And then we'll see from there. I'm really hoping we break through it and we can finally get out of this long-term sort of wedge. Otherwise, we're going to have another drop-off. And this will probably take us down to 20K, even the 19K. And, for me, this is the biggest area. As Rand said, anything under 20K, I'm building my bags wherever I can. Yeah, let's see from that. So that's sort of what we're looking at for now. Come on, bro. I'm nearly broken even.
Yeah, you're getting that nice bullish engulfing, eh?
Come on.
What's
And
the
it's
stock
back
market doing?
I don't know why this Nadesh guy, you keep posting 400. You're clutching up the chat, bro. I'm going to have to silence you. So I can see your comments and so can everyone else 500 times.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow, the 400 thing drops on Discord, and then we trade it. I'm not trading the 400. I'm not starting with 400 on this market. I'll start on the next trade, definitely. Guys, you can see I'm back in action. I'm feeling good. I'm just getting my trading on point again and learning from last week. Little stoppages, changed the time frames. I was trading on a little bit smaller time frames, so changed the strategies a bit, and we hit it. I'm here with you guys. Okay, so not doing much over there.
So the Dow's rejecting, so it's started off green. Let's see where it goes. First candle. So
Okay, cool. Well, I think it's worth it us doing once it's settled, doing a live training session. This may take a little bit of time, so I'm going to give, like I said, one or two of the things. I think we jump off for a little while and then we come back into ready to trade. So this is probably my play for now, is prepping shorts on a lot of things when Bitcoin gets back to 22K. I think it makes a lower high, and I think from here we get the next leg down. This is sort of what we're playing at for now. I've taken a Sol entry. I think right now, if this candle stays and we hold this trend, I think Sol's the short-term long. So I see people are saying, yes, live trading, please. I'm giving you a trade right now. It very likely can go wrong. So you put a tight stop loss. But there can be some short-term gains. But I'm going to be giving you guys the proper trades once this market's settled. I'll come and give proper ones. So this, anything you do now is gambling. It's a hard time, but I've come on here to see what we can do, and is it worth catching falling knives in these events? And you can see how crazy the game is. But let's settle. Let's see what's next. We'll make money in the short time frame. I like this volatility. Sorry, Craig. And the rest of the week from tomorrow, I'm going to go through all the coins again. Where can we buy these things? Are they going to certain areas? By tomorrow, we'll have a better idea where things are at, and we hit it from there. Go for it, Craig.
So Sheldon, a lot of the guys are posting amazing setups on BBS. I actually sent you through two last night on your WhatsApp. I don't know if you can actually.
There's so many, bro.
But they really are cool. So it's beautiful. I mean, I don't know what these that are coming.
Look at someone. Look out.
Yeah.
7 hours ago, I was short as soon as Sol touches 38.2. Let's go look where Sol hit. 39. So it went slightly higher. So he basically called the short.
Yeah, I hope he got it.
Look at that short. Look at that short.
Yeah.
Boom.
And have a look at the other ones. I mean, there's some. Just refresh the screen and you'll get the most recent posts there. But and guys, I encourage you to go and comment and like the good calls there, because there's some amazing calls. I mean, last night I forget the guy's name who was calling Dot. I mean, it was a brilliant. Okay, we've sure it's gone the other way now, but I mean, it was a perfect entry.
See, here's someone's rune long. Look at this, guys. It's fucking great.
They're excellent. They really are great trades, though.
This is really, really a powerful platform to use.
Yeah. And you can comment on it. You can give them a thumbs up, and that really does encourage you because it's uncluttered. Because it's not like the Discord where it's you got to hunt through the Discord to find the setups. BBS has got beautiful setups there.
Cool. Alrighty, let's jump back on just now. Let me go spend time with the family, and as soon as there's action, we jump on again. I'm in motion, guys. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying being here and loving it. Thank you, Craig. Thank you, Mama Sniper.
Excellent.
Pleasure.
Love you guys lots.
Let's
I'm Banter fam. I'll see you all on the next one. Sorry, what did you say?
Well, you close off. I haven't got the branding yet.
No, because James is there.
Oh, he's there.
We got the guy. He's busy trading, bro. You know when Rand's not here, he trades, bro. He knows what he's doing. Proud of you, Jimmy. Okay, much love, Banter fam. As soon as the market gives action, let's do it again. I'm here for you. Let's kick ass together and let's change the world. I'll see you on the next show.